Today we'll be working on page 115 of our Engineering Design and Graphics with SolidWorks 2016 workbook. When I did page 114, I just showed you how to create a part very similar to the same methods here. Difference is this is going to be in millimeters. The one I made was in inches. So you're going to have to make all three of these parts for page 115. You can do figure P2-6 on your own, and you could do figure P2-7 on your own. I'll walk through figure P2-8 and show you how to do that, and then you can go ahead and do the other two on your own using the same methods that I've used on page 114 and for making part P2-8. So first of all, these are a little difficult for me to read, so I'm gonna increase this. I go under View, so go from Home to View, and then increase there. Increase it again. You can see how nice and large the print has become for me. All right, so let's see. All right, this is in millimeters. All right, we have an object that's symmetrical about the center line, so we have a center line right there. So I think what we'll do is we'll create the center line. Oh no, I think I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna start it here, and then we'll create a center line when we get down to there. All right, so let's put this over to the side here, and let us file, new part, okay. All right, reduce the size of this. Let's see, how's that look? All right, symmetrical. I don't really need that too much. I can probably go like this and extend this over to there. That's fine. All right, so this is in millimeters. I already have it set in millimeters. We'll go ahead and let's see, tools, options, properties, units. Yeah, already have it in millimeters, so that's okay. And we'll do this on the front plane, and we'll go on a sketch. And I am going to start with this corner right here as my origin, up and over. So let's go with draw a line. I have a line going up, and I have a line going over. Then I smart dimension these. So this from top to bottom is 20, and this from side to side is 20. So let's go. Suppose that's good like that. 20 mm. 20 mm. All right, so now we go back on our line tool. I'm going to draw this up. All right, so that's same size. I'm going to come out to here. And we're going to come out to here. All right, now let's see. We got smart dimension. This is 35 mm. And then from this point to that point is 85. So we have this point to that point, 85 mm. All right. I think I might want to just kind of, let's see, this would be 50 I might just draw the line down here, and that would be 50 down there, and just draw a line straight down there, and we can work things out afterwards. So let's do line tool, that down there, that down there. 50 mm. 50 mm. All right, so at this point we'll do a center line. Do it right across like that. All right, and let's see what we have here. Let's go ahead and round these corners. So let's see. It's a radius of 10. So these have a radius of 10. So we can use our fillet, sketch fillet here. Oh, get rid of this. Corner here and a corner there. And this is 10 millimeters. So the radius of 10. So we'll go ahead and click that there. So that gave us those rounded edges. We want to put a circle in here that is 15 and 15 over. And this is a diameter of 12. So we have a diameter of 12 right there. All right, so that's good. All right, so a circle. Just draw a circle. I don't want it locked in anywhere. Okay, so we got the circle. We'll smart dimension this. So this is I want this to be 12 millimeters, a diameter of 12. So this has a diameter of 12, just like that one. And we want it to be a distance from the top of 15 and a distance over from the side of 15. So we go from here to here. Want that to be 15 millimeters. And we go from here to here. And want that to be 15 millimeters. All right, so we got 15 and 15. So that's located where we want it to be. All right, so I have everything that wants to be duplicated here. Let's see, what do we have here? We have a distance of 25 in. And this is symmetrical. What's this? What's a radius of 10? So this must be radius of 10. So this must be 10 below and 10 above. So it's 20, a distance of 20. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, so that would mean this was 50. Just draw a line like this. And then this line is smart dimension. It's 25 millimeters long. Oops. And it is a distance of 10 millimeters from the edge. See how this is a radius of 10? That means the radius from that center point up and radius down is 10 or 20 all the way across. Okay, so and then we're going to do a tangent arc here. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, just like that. Radius of 10. So there you go. That's perfect. All right, so let's get the snip tools right here. Trim, and we want to get rid of this. Yes. All right, so there, we got rid of that. So we have this shape right here. That's all done. And what we have here, this is an R of 21. So same thing we're going to do here is we're going to do our arc. We're going to all right. So this is R21. So the distance to 21 here. So this is 50. Can do this. So this is line for construction. I just put there. And instead of doing all this math, what I'm going to do is I'm going to smart dimension this to this. I want that to be 21 mm. All right, so that's 21 mm. Now I think if I do an arc here, no, I can't do so. So I need to get rid of this right here. So let's do our snip tool. See what happens. Yep. Yes. All right, so there you go. So now we have an endpoint right there. Now we could do an arc. All right, so this, I want that to stay 21, which I have right there. So I have a radius of 21. So now here is the fully symmetrical shape that I created. Okay, so that's great. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to mirror our entities, and we want to mirror it about this construction line. So you can see this was already selected because I used that last. So that's there. Come back over here. I want this, and 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 this. I'm clicking on it. Click, click, click. All right, and the circle. Click. All that stuff. And I go, okay. So there. That is my full shape. It has a thickness of 8 millimeters. So I now come here, extrude boss base, and I want it to be 8 millimeters instead of 10. Hit OK, and there you go. There is my shape, just like this. So piece of cake. You can see how I did that. All right, so file, save as. This is part P2-8. Save. All right. And then I'm going to do a make drawing from part. This is what I want. Landscape. I can pick any of these. They all look nice. You can pick that one. Put that there. All right. It's a good size already, but I like to make it solid like that. Okay. Put my name. Put that there. Change the font size. Any of that stuff I want to do. Just click, and. All right. Zoop. Bold. Okay. All right, there you go. You got everything done. File, save. Yeah, that's great. So my documents. File, print. Windows for OneNote. Okay. This all clicks. Handouts. That's where I want it for my class. And then there it is. Let's see. All right, view. And this is part P2-8. So that's submitted in my OneNote for grading. This was page 115. All right, so let's do this. Minus. So now you go back to page 115, and you can go ahead and do figure P2-6 and figure P2-7, and then submit that, and then you will be done with page 115.